Did you know that eating avocados with certain foods can actually increase your risk of cancer and memory loss? Despite being recognized as one of the top superfoods, avocados have certain food pairings that could be detrimental to your health if consumed together. In this video, I'll guide you through the worst food combinations with avocados that may pose serious health risks, as well as the best combinations that enhance their health benefits. Hello! I'm your health expert, Dr. John. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Also, share it with your loved ones to help spread essential health knowledge. I'm committed to bringing you the best scientifically backed information to keep you and your family healthy. Avocados have gained immense popularity for their creamy texture and numerous health benefits. From avocado toast to smoothies, salads, and even desserts, their versatility has made them a staple in many diets. However, knowing which foods pair poorly with avocados can help you avoid serious health risks, such as an increased chance of cancer and memory loss. When you think about avocados, you might consider all the good fats they contain, but did you know that combining them with certain common foods can be harmful? That's why today I've prepared this special guide just for you. Together, we'll explore 3 of the worst food combinations with avocados that could lead to severe health consequences, supported by scientific evidence from leading institutions and experts. First, the worst food combinations with avocados. The first dangerous combination is processed meats like bacon or sausage. Processed meats contain nitrates and nitrites, which are preservatives linked to an increased risk of cancer. The World Health Organization, WHO, classifies processed meat as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning it has strong evidence of causing cancer in humans. When consumed with avocados, which are rich in fats, these carcinogenic compounds are more readily absorbed by the body. Studies from Harvard University have indicated that the combination of high-fat foods with processed meats can amplify the harmful effects of these carcinogens, thereby increasing the risk of colon cancer. Another food combination to avoid is refined sugar. Avocados are naturally low in sugar, which helps keep blood sugar levels stable. However, pairing them with foods high in refined sugar, such as sugary drinks or desserts, can increase inflammation in the body. According to research from the University of California, excessive sugar intake has been linked to oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are known contributors to cancer development and cognitive decline. Furthermore, Dr. Mark Hyman, a renowned functional medicine expert, has pointed out that refined sugars can impair brain function and lead to memory loss, particularly when combined with fats that may enhance sugar absorption. The last harmful combination is alcohol. Drinking alcohol alongside avocados may seem harmless, but studies from Johns Hopkins University suggest that alcohol can interfere with the absorption of healthy fats and antioxidants found in avocados. Alcohol is also known to be neurotoxic and can impair cognitive function over time. When consumed with fatty foods like avocados, the liver works harder to metabolize both, potentially leading to oxidative damage and memory issues. Experts have found that this combination may increase the risk of liver cancer and accelerate cognitive decline. Next, the best food combinations with avocados. Now that we've covered the worst combinations, let's discuss the foods that pair exceptionally well with avocados to enhance their health benefits. First on the list is tomatoes. Avocados and tomatoes are a match made in heaven when it comes to health. Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant that is fat-soluble, which means it needs healthy fats to be absorbed effectively by the body. Studies have shown that combining tomatoes with healthy fats like those in avocados can boost lycopene absorption by up to 4 times, enhancing its benefits for heart health and cancer prevention. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are another fantastic pairing with avocado. Avocados are a good source of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting. Leafy greens are also rich in these vitamins, and the healthy fats in avocados help your body absorb them more effectively. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins increased significantly when vegetables were eaten with a source of healthy fat, making leafy greens an ideal companion for avocados. Eggs are another excellent match for avocados. Eggs are a great source of high-quality protein, which complements the healthy fats found in avocados. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating protein along with healthy fats can help increase satiety, meaning you feel full for longer and are less likely to overeat. Moreover, the antioxidants in egg yolks, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, combine well with the carotenoids found in avocados, making this combination especially beneficial for eye health. Together, avocados and eggs provide a nutrient-dense meal that's both satisfying and healthy. The science behind avocados' health benefits. Avocados are a treasure trove of nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamins C, E, K, and several B vitamins, including folate, niacin, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid. They are also rich in magnesium, potassium, and beta-carotene. The unique fatty acid profile of avocados, mainly composed of oleic acid, is linked to reducing inflammation and promoting cardiovascular health. According to research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, including monounsaturated fats like those found in avocados as part of a heart-healthy diet can help lower LDL cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, avocados are high in fiber, containing both soluble and insoluble fibers that support gut health and digestion. A study published in Nutrients found that avocados can positively alter the gut microbiome by increasing beneficial bacteria. This, in turn, helps regulate bowel movements, reduces the risk of constipation, and even supports weight management by keeping you feeling fuller for longer. In addition to their gut-healthy fiber content, avocados are rich in antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known for their role in protecting eye health. These antioxidants help filter harmful blue light and protect against age-related macular degeneration. The American Optometric Association recommends consuming these nutrients regularly to maintain healthy vision as you age. The role of avocado in weight management and blood sugar control. Avocados are an excellent food for those trying to lose or maintain weight, mainly because they are high in healthy fats and fiber. According to research published in Nutrition Journal, participants who added half an avocado to their lunch reported increased satiety and reduced desire to eat for several hours afterward. This suggests that avocados can help control appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Moreover, avocados' low glycemic index and high fiber content help stabilize blood sugar levels. This makes them a great choice for people with diabetes or those trying to avoid blood sugar spikes. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism showed that the monounsaturated fats in avocados can improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for effective blood sugar control. How to enjoy avocados for maximum health benefits. The best way to enjoy avocados is by combining them with whole, nutrient-dense foods that enhance their nutritional value. For instance, a simple avocado and tomato salad seasoned with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper is a great way to boost lycopene absorption. Another excellent option is avocado and egg toast, a perfect breakfast choice that provides healthy fats, protein, and fiber to keep you energized throughout the day. Avoid pairing avocados with foods that could diminish their benefits, such as those high in saturated fats, added sugars, or sodium. Instead, focus on fresh ingredients and clean eating to truly harness the avocado's nutritional power. Quick recipe ideas for avocado lovers. One delicious and simple recipe to try is avocado and tomato bruschetta. To make this dish, toast slices of whole grain bread, then top them with a mixture of diced avocado, cherry tomatoes, minced garlic, chopped basil, a drizzle of balsamic glaze, and a pinch of salt and pepper. The combination of lycopene-rich tomatoes, heart-healthy avocado, and whole grain bread provides a nutrient-dense, satisfying snack or appetizer. Another excellent recipe idea is avocado and egg breakfast bowl. Start with a base of leafy greens like spinach or arugula, then add slices of avocado, a poached or fried egg, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Finish with a dash of salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. This dish offers a balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber that will help you feel full and energized all morning. Closing thoughts. Avocados are incredibly versatile and nutritious, but knowing how to pair them properly can make a significant difference in the health benefits you receive. To get the most out of avocados, combine them with nutrient-dense foods like tomatoes, leafy greens, and eggs, and avoid unhealthy additions like processed meats, refined sugars, and alcohol to prevent increased health risks such as cancer and memory loss. Remember, maintaining a healthy diet is all about balance and making the right choices for your body. I hope today's guide helps you better understand how to enjoy avocados in the healthiest way possible. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends and family. I'll continue bringing you the best, science-backed health information to help you lead a happier, healthier life. This has been Dr. John. Stay healthy, and take care of your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching.